Oh, shoot. Don't tell me you're seized up. That would suck. You sure aren't moving. Oh. Come on. All right, we are back after 2 trips. We finally got the right caliper. So I'm gonna have to, let's just wait a second on the box here. I gotta get a hose clamp. For the brake line. And then I gotta figure out what size that is for the banjo bolt. Yeah, of course it'd be bigger, I believe, than the let's see here. Let's pinch it back here. We're gonna have to bleed it anyways. Back here's not in the way. Okay. Get a little bucket. Just happen to have a little bucket right here. Okay. What size is you, Banjo? I don't think you're 13. I think you're 14 or 15. Get back on there. Take both. Bigger. 15. Okay. Some cleaning to do. Alright. Now, it's free. You're free. Feel free to drain the hell out. Alright, keep that there for a moment. I got some towels to brake clean. I really wasn't feeling like bleeding brakes today, but I guess I don't have a choice. New hardware. Yes, they appear to be the same. All right. Slides are sliding. Okay. You're still not there. What is going on with this? Oh my gosh. This is like so dumb. Now you're out. Now you're Things that don't make sense. This brakes. Alright. Got new hardware. I can already see I got some adjusting to do there. I'm hoping they get self-corrects it with bolts. Let's make sure those are, yeah, okay. I cannot see back there. And I don't want to get a grip on. We are like not even. Oh my gosh. You're started. Holy shit, this is dumb. There's a bit. Okay. Stupid, stupid, stupid stuff. Alright. All set. Alright, I got a ratchet for that. Let me say that was 15. Grab a ratchet. There we go. I like that. Okay. I can open up this. And it's only finger tight, so that should start dripping out any time. Really? So we're gonna call it on this one. That's how you do caliper. Thanks for Advanced Auto for getting it wrong the first time. The picture associated with the part number was incorrect. Had to go back and swap it out for the other part number to get the correct one, but other than that, it's all good. Yeah, so I'm gonna call it right here for pads and rotors and the caliper, and then yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.